here is your stat edit reminder. So remember, the very first thing you want to do is make sure your calculator has been reset. So let me show you how to do that. Second plus 7, 1, 2. All right, now we've got a fresh calculator. You don't want to start working behind someone that maybe has messed up your calculator. All right, so we've got 2 points here. So remember, our x values are the first number, y values are second. So 5 is x, 7 is y. So once you have your 2 points, and regardless if you're looking at a graph, if you're looking at a table, you've got your 2 points. So set them up in a table, 5, 7, 10, 15. Now let me show you how to do this with stat edit. Okay, so you're going to push the stat button right there. Okay, then press 1 or enter, it doesn't matter, so I'm going to press enter. Okay, now I've got list 1 and list 2. List 1 and list 2. So I'm going to go and I'm going to put 5 and 10, my x's, in list 1. All right, so 5, and you can either arrow down or press enter, it doesn't matter. Okay, now my x values are in from my table, 5 and 10. Just make sure they match up. So 5 and 7 go together, so 7 needs to be across. So again, x is going L1, y value is going L2. So I'm going to put 7, enter, and then 15, enter, just like that. And then we're going to push stat again. We need this to calculate the actual slope for us. All right, so push stat. Okay, we're going to arrow right. What we're talking about are linear equations, 4. Okay, and I'm going to arrow down or enter down, either way works. Press enter, you're not going to mess it up. Okay, and then you get my slope, which is A, is 1.6. So slope is 1.6. Now on your IXL, you may be asked to put that in as a fraction. No big deal. We know how to do this. Okay, so don't forget, you know how to do that. So if you need to turn 1.6 into a fraction, okay, 1.6 alpha y equals, so alpha y equals, and then remember 4, and it'll turn it into a fraction for you. Boom. So 8 over 5, that would be my slope. And that's how you can do it. Now, I want to show you one more thing real fast. Some of you, you're having a little trouble. So when you get into your screen, stat edit, so somebody in another class, if you forget to reset, they might have deleted. See, you can actually delete list 2. So I've got L1 and then it goes to L3. So be careful if you're getting errors on your calculator, that could be the problem. So again, if you see something like this, you need to reset your calculator. Get in the habit of doing that right out of the gate when you come in the room. So second plus 7, 1, 2, reset your calculator. Okay, and that's your refresher on stat edit.